Hey y'all, it's your girl Michaela and I'm back with another video. Today I'm showing y'all how to get the bayang in 5 minutes. I'm gonna try to do it in 5 minutes, but I don't know if I can. It's my first time trying it. So I have this human hair clip wig that I ordered off of Amazon, and I'm going to attach her to this bob wig that I ordered off of Amazon a long time ago. So before we get into that, comment, like, subscribe, do whatever you gotta do, grab some snacks, because this is gonna be real short and real cute. Whew. I feel like I was rapping this whole time. Okay, so let's go. Okay y'all, so this is what the bang came in, this little package. The store on Amazon is called KLAIYI store. The wig was like, not the wig, the clip was like $9.99 plus shipping and handling. But if you have Amazon Prime, you don't need to worry about it. Now, like I said, y'all, I don't know how to do this because I never did it before, and I'm not gluing this wig down. So I just want to show y'all how to do the bang. Okay. So, like I said, this is the human hair clip, and it comes with a clip, and it's like a bendy clip, so you just slide it in wherever you want it to go. So let's see, I know you can't see that, but I'm going to tuck it in right here to see how long it is. These definitely need to be cut, the bangs, just because they're a little bit too much in my eye, but I think I like them right there. So this is what it's looking like. We need to do a wind test, like go outside, make sure clip don't blow away. I'm not going to straighten all of the clip because I actually like, I don't know, I really don't want to straighten his hair, but that's what we're going to do. And I got some parts showing so it could look a little realistic, but you might want to brush the hair into the clip. Like, where is the clip? I can't even tell which part it is. Yeah. See, I lost it. Oh, there it go. See, this little piece is sticking up. I don't like that. I think I'm finna unclip her out. I don't know. It's really easy to take out. Maybe I just need to straighten the hair first. Let's just worry about that first. So I did my makeup in my room, and it doesn't look bad. My skin is getting better. Like the last time I did my makeup, I told y'all I noticed like the texture, but today the texture looks way better. So maybe my skin is getting back to normal. At least I hope. But y'all see how easy it was to clip the bang into the wig. Like, it's not hard. I thought I was gonna be on here struggling. Y'all know I be struggling on camera. I don't edit none of my struggles out. Okay. So, take two. My clips are on the floor. Hold that thought. I'm giving you Dora. But not for long. Okay. Let's try this again. Oh, I should show y'all. Unclip. I think this is where I had it. Okay, I pushed it more into the lace this time. So. Ooh, okay, okay, okay. You can see a little bit of hump. But when I look in the mirror, it's not that bad as what it looks like on video. It's just this little part right here, but I'm gonna try to cover her up with some hair. Just make sure you have a little bit of part showing so it won't look like you put this wig together, I guess yourself, I don't know. Maybe you know how to put together wigs, I don't. So we're just gonna flip the ends because now that I know how to do it, I don't know how to stop. I have a video on that too, if y'all are interested. Man, I wish this hair was a little bit thicker. Okay. Maybe I do need to straighten some of this wig. Okay. So that was some of the bang in the hair. It does straighten. I'm applying it on it now. Like I said, I would cut like have the bang at least like this short, but I want y'all to see how the bang is straight out the package. If I cut it, I'll let y'all know. Close up again, just make sure. First off, make sure you get the right color because they offer like 3 colors. This is natural black, and I got this color because most of my natural hair wigs are just natural, so yeah. Okay, so this is with a headband. This is cute. Not that bang, that bang. Oh, oh, whoa, whoa. This is cute. Okay, so let me read y'all the specs. So it says it's a 100% human hair fringe piece. Like I said, it's $9.99 currently. Well, the natural black one is, at least. If you want light brown or dark brown, they're $13.99. Okay, so I don't have Prime, like y'all know, but this literally came to me in like 2 days. And I don't think they say, okay, so they say this front part is 5 inches and then the 2 long strands on the side are 9. So just remember, it's about a 5-inch bang, and it depends on where you put it in your wig too, or wherever. Like, you don't have to use this for a wig. Like, you could use it as a clip-in for like clip it into your hair, and then maybe put like a headband around the clip, so you can't really tell that it is a clip, if that makes sense. But yeah, and this store sells other things too, just in case you guys are interested in what all they sell. And like I said, everything on my head is from Amazon, so if you're interested in this wig, I have an old review on that, and of course the clip. The link will be in the description, so go and get y'all a clip because guess what? We're not cutting our own bangs anymore. We're just clipping them in and we're leaving. So if y'all know me, y'all know I'm kind of a perfectionist, and y'all know since I love y'all, I can't let us all go outside. So at the beginning, the last few clips, I did like the style. I was thinking like, I don't know, it just looked funny. So I've been playing around with it in the bathroom. So I decided to like scoop my wig back so that it's not like all up on my forehead like it usually would be. Since I mean, nobody's gonna see my forehead, so who cares? So I kind of scooted it back to where my wig cap is. And so I'm gonna take the thing and I'm actually gonna clip this like in the very front of my wig. Like I'm gonna clip it to where it goes under my wig, if that makes sense, instead of clipping it into the hair, which I'll take my wig off and show y'all what I mean. But this is what we're gonna do. And I scooted my wig back because, like I said, I'm not gonna trim the bang. So picking up my wig and I'm sliding the bang under there, making sure that I got it under there, and then snapping it down. And I straighten my hair out, as you can see, so no more flipped ends. And I feel like this looks so much better. It's less humpier and it just looks better. So of course, like I said, probably trim the bangs some, but yeah. So, and if this hair was thicker, it would look even better. But this is 130 density, so this is what we're working with. So this is what it'll look like if you clip it to the front of the wig and just play with it, so to where you can't see your wig cap. That way the strands that are actually in the front of the wig don't get in the way and just make it look all thick and overpopulated. Okay y'all, so this is the final look. This is what I got. I actually like it. Like, I feel like I'm really going to use this because, as y'all know, I love my bangs synthetic wig, but I kind of messed up the bangs. So now I can wear bangs. I'm actually excited. So I will be wearing this. I do think it's convenient. It literally only took me like 5 minutes to clip it in and get it how I wanted it. And yeah, and this is straight off the pack. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would love to have you here as one of my subbies, as one of my charms. I think that's what I'm gonna call y'all, charms. I've been watching a lot of Charmed. And it clicked on me like, oh, my channel name is Charming Chele, so why not call my friends Charms? Okay, so that's y'all new name, Charms. So I'm out. There are plenty of videos coming. I'm surprised too, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to go watch my other videos and don't forget to go get the bang clip. See ya.